Right guys, got a nice package here arrived this morning. It's a bunch of hardwood. I found it off like Facebook Marketplace. I had to check around a few suppliers and stuff like that, and I'm sort of like, because I don't know about hardwoods and stuff like that, I was a bit unsure of the prices. Everything seemed a bit pricey, but I found this guy on Facebook Marketplace. He seems to have a lot of it in all the time. It was really good, really professional. The package has arrived. I paid him by PayPal. No qualms. So let's see what's actually in it. He's really well packaged it. So go to the end. I don't want to damage the wood. The ends are really well packaged as well, so that's good. So if you guys are in the UK, obviously, my channel's a UK based channel, and you know any good sort of guys that sell hardwood, good reputable companies that sort of like won't have your pants down with prices, that kind of stuff. I can go across there with that. Please let us know, because I'll put it in the comments. You put it in the comments, other people can see it, and it drums a bit of business up for like local suppliers, that kind of thing. UK based businesses. God, it's well packaged. Right, let's get into it. So, that's nice, that's a nice bit of wood. So I've got 2 strips of nice maple there. This has all been planed, cut and planed. So it's planed all sides, and this is what he just advertises what he's got, but it's all plain. But that's a nice bit of maple, that. So that just saves me that job. I might try and resaw a bit of this or something. But nice bit of maple. Oh, that looks nice. That is lovely, lovely oak. Look at that. Look at the finish on that as well. That is lovely. Let me know, guys, what you think in the comments of this. There's 3 bits there. I'll run you through the sizes in a minute when I get this off the table. Got some more maple. I've got 2 lots of maple. I want to do some projects with maple and a darker wood, which I've got. So there's another couple of slabs of maple. There. And I have got some supplier, and it looks really nice. I can smell that oak. Oak's got a really nice smell to it, hasn't it? Look at that. Oh, what a do this is. What a little fan this guy is. Right, I'll let you know at the end of the video as well what I paid for all these. So that's the supplier. Really nice finish as well. So I'll just put that down there because I can chop that up and get rid of that. We've got a cardboard box problem. So I've got 2 strips here of supplier, which are 90 centimetres long by 19 centimetres deep. Yeah, and they are 2.5 centimetres thick, 25 millimetres thick. So there's that. I run through this maple first because this one was slightly different than the other one. They are 96 centimetres long to 960 by 17, so it's 170. Again, just shy of 2.5 centimetres thick, 25 centimetres. So I want to sort of try and resaw these down, but I've got a bandsaw, but it's only a small bandsaw, which would be no good for this. So I'm going to try and do it with a table saw. I did it with some Zebrano I had, and it worked out really well. And I've got like a Clark fitness planer joiner kind of thing, so I'll do that. The oak is 800 long. There's 2 bits there. There's 2 bits of that maple there as well by 200. Again by, where are we? My 25 again, and there's 3 strips there of that. Now, I couldn't get over the price of hardwood. Is it really expensive everywhere? I mean, this has come to me, this is planed and done. I can make things out of this at these sizes, but I know if you buy it sort of rough sawn and all that kind of stuff, you've got a lot of work. This is all the work, the main bit of the work seems to be done for me here. So this bit of maple here, which I'm going to turn this, one of the projects is going to be a box, a very special box, is 950 long by 140 high again, and it is just it's 23 millimetre thick, and there's 2 strips of that. So guys, I've got altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boards there. I've got maple, oak and supplier. Now I paid for that a grand total of £142, and that was shipped to me. I forget where the guy's from, but I found him on Facebook Marketplace and I've saved him because I'm happy with that. I'm looking around at the prices I paid. I'm sort of really happy with that price. That saved me a lot of work on planing and stuff like that. If I resaw it, I'm going to have to do a bit of planing, a bit of thicknessing, that kind of stuff. But comes well, fast delivery, really well packaged. I'm well over the moon. I'm well over the moon with that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.